In this video, I show you how to fix Facebook Lite message problem, Facebook Lite message not open problem or preparing. Please wait. For fixing this problem, find out Facebook Lite app, then long press on it, then click on app info. Now click on uninstall and click on OK. Now go to Google Chrome. Now search for Facebook Lite old version. Now click on first link. Scroll down. Now find out Facebook Lite 4800 version. Then click on download version. Now click on open. Now click on install. Now click on open. Now log into your account. Now click on OK. Now click on allow notification. Now click on message icon. Now I hope that this method fix Facebook Lite message problem, Facebook Lite message not open problem, or preparing please wait problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.